So me come back here. So mama where say go on, they can't where say now make we link up. Actually they say I make we link up that again and do it. So me the jealous and vex and mad. So I make we link up.
Yeah, which state you in?
Me there Florida.
Alright, may I come? You buy my tickets?
Yeah man, me I buy your ticket man. Yeah, how much? Again.
I'm 20.
Oh yeah, me forgot, yeah.
So what going you good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you sound so.
Talk to me that think boy and I couldn't sleep.
Oh, you couldn't sleep for you? Oh, you like man?
No, I'm not telling lie.
You eat on the one day, you eat.
I can't see you man.
You can't see.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you get good food to eat. Can't see.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I just come to check up on you.
I had one white girl. That right.
Hey, sir?
Make mistake and send Batty Boys to give request.
Oh. I just come to check up.
Hello, what's up, sweetheart?
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
You good? I miss you. I want to link up with you when you come to Miami.
I will be there. I'll let you know when.
Make sure you text me. Don't lie to me, okay, sweetie?
Okay. I don't have a trip planned yet. Maybe like next spring break.
Let's spring break now. Let's go. Let's link up down here. A lot of people are going to be down here.
I'm going on a trip tomorrow though.
You still could come here when you come back. How long you going on the trip for?
4 days.
Yeah, you still could come to Miami after you come back.
You think?
Yeah. I could buy you a ticket if you want.
It's gonna be expensive.
Doesn't matter. I'll buy it.
Oh, shit.
You're special.
Thank
You're unique and very special. You're unique and very special. God make you so.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. what that you're drinking?
Diet Coke.
Oh, you're supposed to be drinking pina colada and champagne and wine. Pretty girl like you not supposed to be drinking those Coke. If you with me, you have to be drinking wine and good stuff.
you.
And when I get my gold card, I get money and give it to you.
But I like to earn my own money.
But well, when you have a guy that could give you money, it bring extra money for me and you.
Yeah.
So you're getting money both way, by your own way and my way.
Okay.
Blam them me going on.
You get no. I'm gonna be right back, okay, sweetheart?
Okay.
Hey, sweetheart.
Okay.
I get jealous. Gotta get jealous fever. Gotta get jealous. A green card me a look out. I don't want the girl. A green card me a look. You paper. You American citizen.
No.
So me tell me I have to just go and look it somewhere else. Cause I know you can't really help me. You know what I mean?
Alright.
So I have to check for papers.
Alright.
So now watch that, isn't it?
I got you.
If you have to talk, me left. Cause you call shots.
How come me I say you disrespect me now?
No, you know me not this them really. They are good as.
Okay. So how was your day today?
Good, and now I'm with you. It's perfect.
Oh, for real?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what are you doing tomorrow?
I'm gonna buy you a ticket and you come down here for spring break, okay?
For you?
You buy a ticket and you come down here for spring break, yeah? Come make a spring break.
Alright, so you have to carry me out and then something?
Mm-hmm. I carry out and everything. Where you want to go?
Man, no more you surprise me. I like surprises.
Alright, we'll work out with the government.